What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I'm back again with a video for you guys. As you guys can see, we have these Air Jordan 5 Michigans on deck. These are set to release this Saturday. They were supposed to release sometime in August. The date got pushed, so these just came out of nowhere. About to give you guys a detail review and an on feed, so stay tuned for that on feed at the end of the video. Y'all know how I do. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. These are not the actual P's. I'll show you guys what the P's look like right now. But yeah, they coming out with an Inspire. They calling these the Inspire. You know, basically an alternate of the Air Jordan Fab 5s. You know what I'm saying? So all around, man, it's a dope colorway. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how you guys feel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I figure I'd give you guys that look outside today because it's real nice out. Let me show you guys the box real quick. I think the Jeters came in this box, the Pinnacles and stuff like that. Real nice box. Retail on these is $225. They released this Saturday. Inside the box comes your regular black paper, and it does come with some white paper. Look at the colorway, man. Yellow on the top of the shoe. It does got a goldish, yellowish color to it, you know what I'm saying? But it does look nice, I must say. You got your midsole in that Amarillo blue, navy blue. Like all the 5s, you got your netting, your clear netting right there with the navy behind it. Blue on the midsole, air bubble unit, clear. Blue on the eyelids over here, as you guys can see. Take a look at the shark teeth there in yellow with the speckles on it in the navy. Now I want to show you guys the quality of these bad boys right here. Just look when I rub it, man. It's real soft. This is like a nubuck material, definitely a nubuck, but it's got some real nice nubuck to it. You can see the strokes. I don't know if y'all can pick it up because it's real sunny out. Okay, going up, got your navy laces. You got your icy netting under the laces. You got your lace lock. You got your yellow Jumpman on the navy lace lock. Take a look at that tongue. You got your 3M on the tongue with your navy Jumpman stitched in. I will show you guys a picture how the tongue reflects with 3M. All right, let's get a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. Netting, navy on the midsole with the yellow with the speckles. Just looking very nice, man. And you got your all nubuck upper in that yellow. The material on this bad boy is soft, real nice soft material. You know, I think they dope, man. I think these is real dope. Definitely something I want to add to the collection. All right, let's get to the back of the shoe. As you guys can see, back of the shoe, we do got the quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. Michael Jordan does have the Jumpman right there, and it says team behind the tongues. They did hit us with the Inspire, upside down Inspire behind the tongue. Show you guys the inner sole. Take a look at that inner sole. It is, you can see the texture on it, real nice, man. It's not real plushed, so it's not gonna be like extra comfy, but it does got a nice little touch to it. All yellow inner sole and the navy Jumpman, all right? Inner sole is similar to the sock liner. See how this sock liner is? The material's like different, you know what I'm saying? It's real nice, man. I like the way the material is in here. It's nice and soft. And let me show you guys the bottom real quick. Iced out blue bottom with your Jordan right there and your Jumpman right there in that navy. Alright, real quick, straight to the point. It is burning out here, guys. It's got to be like about 95 degrees right now, but you know, got a lot of things going on today, so I just figured I'd give you guys the review outside, you know what I'm saying, so you guys can get a better look at these bad boys. And right now I'm about to show you guys real quick how they look on feet. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you smash that like button for your boy. Make sure you click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell. All right, now as for sizing on Jordan 5s, I do recommend you guys go true to size. These are a size 9. I like them snugged on my feet because I don't like the way 5s crease, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, all around, if you're gonna pick these up, go true to size, you'll be good to go in my opinion. All right, enough talking. I'm gonna show you what they look like on feet now. Let me know what you guys think. It's your boy DS Dan, and I'm gone.